Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday the 9th, and we're going to follow Kathy around and see what sold.
All right, guys, we'll start in box AR. All right, so these are just some Crocs. I feel like my hair is just crazy. These are oh my gosh. These are some Crocs that I found in box AR, and they sold on eBay for $26.66 plus shipping. I bought them for $5, so pretty happy with that. It was sold really fast too. Box L here. Sold these Banskos. These were called the Tilda, and they sold for $33 plus shipping. That was an offer I sent out, and I paid $7.99 for these. Nice little sale. All right, and then box TJ. These are some Sam Edelman like gladiator sandals. I've had these forever, so when I saw I had a watcher, I just sent them an offer of $15 plus ship, hoping to move them. They accepted. I did pay $7 for those, so not a great sale at all, but moving them and not losing money. Then box BI. Some Under Armour slide sandals. I got these at Once Upon a Child, and I paid $6.50 for them. They sold on eBay for $17.76 plus shipping. Right, and then AY.
Right down there.
Okay, this is just a Wizards champion Michael Jordan jersey. I think it's Michael Jordan.
Is he number 23?
Yeah. And then it sold on eBay for $26.66 plus ship. I paid $5 for that. I thought it would do better. It was a size 2X, and I don't know. I thought it was a cool jersey. I know that the Wizards isn't the team that's going to do well for him, but I thought it would do better than it did. But it took maybe 6 months to sell. I honestly thought it would sell faster, but still happy with the sale. And then box Z. Alright. This is just a Callaway Golf polo shirt. I actually bought this for Chris, but he didn't want it, so I listed it. I only paid $2.50 for it, and it sold for $17.76 plus ship in just a couple days. Callaway, some of their stuff does well for me. Not huge money, but if you find it for $1 or $2.
And it was a little tight on me. I did not want it. I didn't fit it.
Doesn't like anything I buy him. It's over here. Alright. These are just some Skechers men's loafers. I got these from the bins as my stimulus check challenge. They sold for $17.76 plus shipping. A lot of stuff sold for $17.76 plus shipping today. We have a sale running, so yeah, most of my prices are $29.95, $19.95, so it just puts them at the same in the end. So yeah, only about $1 into $17.76 plus ship. So that was it for eBay so far. We did have our first Facebook Marketplace sale.
Yeah.
So that was.
We able to retire now?
We're kind of figuring it out as we go, but the first thing was these Mickey Vans. I got these at Goodwill for $12.99 a very long time ago because I put them in my son's grow into bin, and now that he fits them, he doesn't fit them. I know I say that every day, but yeah. So those sold on Facebook Marketplace for $50 free ship. I have the screenshot pulled up. Don't get too close because it has her address, but I noticed that it's not charging me a fee, and I was just asking some of my friends that sell on there, and one of them said, Lucy, my friend Lucy, she said she thinks that for the first 30 days you might not get charged fees, so I'm not sure, but if anyone else knows about that, let us know, because yeah, this is our first sale. We've been posting there for a little over a week now, and
I mean, how many things do we have listed over there?
I mean, what'd you do the first day? 10?
I did 12 the first day.
And then I did 20 by myself one day, and then I did 10 more, so
So like
I
50
feel like we
maybe.
have a good amount. Yeah, I had to delete a bunch because they sold elsewhere. But I've been getting a lot of messages about, will you take less or is this available? But that's it. Yeah, so far I'm not liking it. I like that I made this sale, but I don't know. Because then I also worry about, I saw an Emily Conway story this morning. Somebody said that they didn't get their item even though it shows delivered. So I just don't know how their customer service works or anything like that. So just a lot of worries. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'll be very sad if a problem happens. But yeah, so the $50, the shipping label came out of that. So $5.50. And since they didn't charge us a fee, it says we made $44.50 minus the $12.99 that I originally bought them for. So not a bad sale, assuming nothing goes wrong.
I think we haven't given it a fair shake yet.
No,
so
I know that, but all right. So this is a Mercari sale. It's a Jamie K item, little dress, and it sold for $19. That was an offer someone sent me. I accepted. I paid $6 for this one at the Rail on a consignment sale. So I think I have one more of the Jamie K items that I got that day. And I think it's just because it's a gray sweater that people don't, it's not like as cute as the other ones. So, all right. And then I sold a bundle to Becky Park. So let's pull that. I just sold it to her via PayPal. So no fees or anything there. So box BE.
this way.
My brain is not working.
Sorry, our kids are both home today. Our oldest is on e-learning for the next 3 days, so it's kind of thrown a big wrench in our plans for the week, and we're still trying to process and deal. So,
all right, so she grabbed these little Zara joggers. These are super cute. My son's been wearing them to school. And then she also got these Nike pants, which I hadn't even got put away yet. And then lastly, a box of DC. This is the brand Junior Cooper. It's just some khaki joggers, and these are really cute. Actually, we have the same ones in the next size up as well that my son currently wears. So I told her $30 and she sent me $35. So I don't know if that was an accident, but thank you, Becky. I'm going to go get my Starbucks today after we package these up. So yeah, thank you so much.
thank you so much, Becky.
All right. And then for Poshmark sale, so box O. This is actually a viewer sale as well. Okay, so just a little Slumberkins like drawstring bag. So these just come with the Slumberkins, and so I'm considering it free to me. I have them listed for $8. Just, I don't know, you got to put a price on something. I didn't think it was worth $8. But Viviana, she watches our channel, comments all the time. She offered me $5 and I accepted. So I make $2. I saw she has some Slumberkins in her store, so maybe she just wants a cute little bag to put them in.
Yeah, thank you so much for the support, Viviana, and I hope your stores are doing well.
Yeah. Alrighty, and then, so up top. Okay. These Sorel wedges finally sold. I say finally, but they've been listed maybe like a month. I priced them at 100. I've been sending, no, I priced them at 125, I think. I've been sending offers to likers of 100 with discounted shipping, and then somebody countered me or maybe just made an offer on her own of 85, which I accepted. So I had paid $16.99 for those at Goodwill, so that was paying up, I guess. But yeah, I knew that those would sell for a good amount, so I was happy to pay it. So $16.99 into 85, not too bad. And then this guy sold. Haven't put that away yet, but this came from the RealReal. They sent me another coupon last week, and I spent it on this. So they had it priced at $50. It wasn't part of their code where, like, most of their items, the code REAL, I think it's REAL. It's always at the top of the screen. It'll give you 20% off the list price, and then you could also use your coupons towards it, but yeah, this one wasn't part of that. So it was the full 50 minus the 30. So I paid 20 and then their $12 ridiculous shipping. So, yeah. We'll say I have $32 into it. I priced it at $100. I've been sending offers to likers of $80 with discount shipping. Then someone countered me at $65. It does have a bunch of like, this is like every single one of these I've ever sold. You can't really see it when you're looking like this, but when I put out near the photo lights, they have like these like greasy stains. I don't know what they are. I think it's just the material. Anyway, so I always get close-ups. People buy these to keep their kids warm. They don't really care if it has a spot on it. So anyways, I thought $65 was a fair price for the flaws that it had. And yeah, so I made like a $20 profit, and it sold in just like 2 days. So happy with that.
So definitely not a recommendation to spend what, 35 to make 20, but
I mean, I don't know. It's like a 100% chance that it's gonna sell. So I mean, I'd probably buy that for 30 at a consignment sale too.
yeah. I mean, I'm just saying we don't do that with everything. Just
No, obviously I can't spend 30 on 1,000 items and
right.
to make 20, but there are certain things that I know are gonna sell fast, and
Yeah.
I'm willing to pay up for.
It's hard for us to turn down that known profit. We're gonna profit on
I
it.
did buy my son a pair of jeans the same day I bought this, so that $12 shipping got stretched a little. All right, and then bought CV. This is the last Poshmark sale. Yeah, that's just a pair of Crocs. We sold one the other day. Not these ones, and I think I have one more, but yeah. These sold on Posh for, I sent offers to likers, 28 with discount shipping. Someone accepted. I paid $9 for them, so about doubled my money on those.
Is that all?
I think so.
Okay.
My magic sticky seems to be, yep, that's all.
All right. The magic sticky has spoken. We're going to go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. We got that stuff all packed up and ready to go. Been working a little bit up here, but I think we had one more sale, right?
Yeah. Alright, so it was these cool Merrell tie-dye shoes.
Those are cool.
I listed them high. I put them at 70 on Posh. Someone offered me 45, so I accepted. That's about what I had them for on eBay anyway, so that was perfect. I did pay $12.99 for those, but still over a $20 profit. So
Very nice.
yeah, that was the only other sale.
So we've been working,
Not
really working.
because our kids.
Looking, yeah.
It's too hard
So-
to get work done with them.
We kind of mentioned it a little bit earlier, but Connor's school, I guess some of the teachers are going through the process getting their vaccines, and they're getting some of those symptoms after the second shot or whatever. So they've kind of, next week, starting Friday, starting the 12th, is his spring break. So that, like, our school district gets 2 weeks off for spring break. So he's off from Friday all the way up until I think the 29th. Which we were expecting 2 weeks, but they added, 3 more days on there. So unexpectedly yesterday. But we
Doing what we can.
we're doing what we can.
It's all right.
We're coping.
Luckily, March has been a pretty good month so far, so if we can't do much the rest of it, it's okay.
We'll manage.
So yeah, I did not get anything listed last night either. I did work on JBF, so I got like 2 full bins of that all tagged up.
Yeah. Which is another stressor, right? Because the
Right,
weather is
so-
not looking good for this
We mentioned
weekend.
dropping off on Thursday, so Thursday the weather looks great. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it's supposed to be snow, and they're not like, you just never know how much it's
Right.
gonna be. Like the Friday, Saturday wouldn't bother me because I don't have to be there or anything those days, but I have to pick up late at night, 8 o'clock on a Sunday night, so
Yeah.
I don't want to do that first off in the snow because it's freezing. You could slip. I'm gonna have to be moving like stuff with a bunch of wheels on it,
Yeah.
things like that, and yeah, so I don't know. We might hold off on the sale. We're kind of just debating still.
We're kind of
so
waiting to see a little bit closer once the
knows
weather
how many inches we're
is a
gonna
little bit
get or
more
whatever.
predictable.
Luckily, this isn't the only sale we're counting on,
Right.
you know. So I like to do as many as I can just to move as much as I can. But if I have to hold off, there's one at the end of the month, and then there's like
Yeah.
2 next month. So
And so Thursday drop off, we were both planning on going, and we have Cy going to school on Thursday,
We were gonna leave him at lunch bunch.
We were gonna leave him, let him go the whole day.
Yeah.
Because you can pay a little bit more and have him kind of after school care until like 3 o'clock because he's in pre-kindergarten. So we were going to leave him there, but now we have Connor because our van, we put everything in our van. We put the seats down, so we can't really take the kids with us.
Definitely not both
So we
of
could
them.
probably make it work with one, but both of them, I
could
don't
drop
know.
off myself too. It's just like I getting
Yeah.
nervous because the building that this one particularly is in is like, so it's like, what is it called? Like, not a fair. What is it?
It's like a fairgrounds.
Building? I don't
like
know. It's just there's so much construction like all around that whole block that I don't even know.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's stressing me out to do it on my own.
So we have a lot of reasons to not do it, but we still really want to if we can make it work.
Yeah. Just to like get some of that stuff gone and kind of see where we're at because
Yeah.
I have a lot more to pull out of my inventory that I want to take, but I don't want to, go over the numbers, the max numbers. So.
Because in our next sale, which starts on what, the 23rd?
I'd have to work a shift if I do that one because unless I sell off enough at this one this week, which I might not be doing. So,
which that's the week both of our kids are off for spring break.
And we kind of wanted to take just a spur of the.
Yeah,
we don't have anything planned, but we kind of wanted to just do a mini road trip somewhere, either a surrounding state or maybe just up to Denver for a night or two, just anywhere other than here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're having a difficult time trying to figure out how to fit everything we want to do with the kids both home and with weather and all that.
The weather is the worst.
But we'll manage. We'll make it work. Just might not look fun or be fun. But yeah, I think other than that, we've been photographing. I think Kathy sourced some more shoes last night. Yesterday.
So I did get 5 up today so far, but I'm gonna
5
get
newly
more.
listed. Yeah.
Yeah, those shoes will be easy. So hopefully 20 by the end of the day, since I didn't do any the last 2 days.
Oh, and I think Reese's doing better.
Yeah, his nose.
His snout was a little bit more swollen. I think it still is a little bit. But I think he just had like a weird allergy or something. I don't know. But he seems to be doing fine. I did give him a little Benadryl. And yeah, it made him even more sleepy than he's ever been. Which he sleeps all the time. Anyway, guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.